Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video. Today, based on a request of one of my students, my subscriber, that said he wants explanation on how to use graph to solve simultaneous equation. Here is a question that says that solve the simultaneous equation below with the use of a graph. So we are given two equations. So the two equations, the first thing you will do to them is to first change them such that y will be the subject. We have the first equation as 2x minus y equals 8. So to make this subject, we say that minus y equals 8 minus 2x. But y should be positive. To make it positive, multiply both sides by minus 1. So minus 1 times minus y equals minus 1 again times 8 minus 2x. From here we have y equals minus 8 plus 2x. That is to say that y equals 2x minus 8. This is equation 1 to say. Equation 2 now will be 3x plus y equals 17. So making y subject is give us 17 minus 3x. So the next thing we are going to do is to draw a graph. How do we get the graph drawn? So the first equation we are having here is y equals 2x minus 8, which is the first equation. Now let's draw the graph. So I'll be using only three values, maybe 0, 2, 4, and 6 to get a graph done. So I have 0, here will be for x, 0, 2, 5. Okay, I did this. Okay, so here I'm going to write x. Let me restructure it very well so that we can have something tangible. Change the lettering to be a superb one. Okay, then and that's all. Here is x, small letter x, and here I will have my values written there. So here we have our 2x, here is minus 8, then we put y here. Let's use 0, 2, 4, and 6. So when x is 0 here, 2x will give you 2 times 0. That will be 2 times 0, which is 0. So here is 0. So when x is 2, 2x will turn to 2 times 2, which is what? 4. Here is 4. When x is 4, we have 2 times 4, that's 8. 8 here. When x is 6, we have 2 times 6, which is what? That is 12. So here is 12. You will return this 1 minus 8 for all of them. Minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, then minus 8. Sum them together. 0 and minus 8 will give you minus 8. 4 minus 8 will give you minus 4. 8 minus 8 will give you 0. Then 12 minus 8 will give you 4. This is the first equation. Let's go to the second equation. Y equals 17 minus 3x. Again, I'm going to get the graph done again, and that will give me the usual thing. So here I need to add the values there. X is here. Here is 17 minus 3x, then y. 0, 2, 4, 6. So when everything here will be 17, 17, as it does not have x. When x is 0, minus 3 will give you minus 3x will give you minus 3 times 0, which is 0. When x is 2, so here is 0. X is 2, you have minus 3 times 2, which is what? Minus 6. Here is minus 6. When x is 4, we have minus 3x giving you minus 3 times 4, which is minus 12. Minus 12. And when x is 6, minus 3x will give you minus 3 times 6, which is minus 18. So we have minus 18 here. We add them together. 17 plus 0 is 17. 17 minus 6 is 11. 17 minus 12 is 5. And 17 minus 18 is 1. So our table is ready now. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to the graph page. And with the graph page, we do what? We plot in the graph so that we can get what we need to get. And how do we do that? We take the point. Let's go to the graph again. So for the first equation, y equals 2x minus 8, we have x is 0 when y is minus 8. So we put it there that we have 0 minus 8. Let me pick that place. So this is the place. This is the position. You can see that. Next one, when x is 2, y is minus 4. X is 2, y is minus 4. X is 2, y is minus 4. This position. When x is 4, y is 0. X is 4, y is 0. Is this position. You can see that it's giving us the value there. So when x is 6, y is 4. When x is 6, y is 4. So it's this place. So with this, we need to plot the graph now. Let's see what that will give us. So we join the points together. Join the points together. Then we take the next graph. That's what, when y is 0, x is 17. When y is 0, x is 17. We need to take this thing down, 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 down. When x is 0, y is 17. X is 0, y is 17. This is the position. Okay, give us exactly the position. The next, when x is 2, y is 11. When x is 2, y is 11. 2 and 11 here. The next one, when x is 4, y is 5. X is 4, Oh, this is not the position I need. It's the wrong position. X is 4, y is 5. When x is 4, y is 5. X is 4, y 5. Then the next thing is when x is 6. So here is minus 1. That's a mistake. It's minus 1 here. Here is minus 17 minus 18 is minus 1. Okay. So let me go back to that place. X is 6, y minus 1. So this is the position we are looking for. 6 minus 1. So now we can join these together to give us a good graph. Let me zoom out so that I can join the point together. So I'll join the point together now using our line. Join together. Join the point together. So no, I don't want another point again. So now from the graph we can see clearly that we have the graph here. Our point now where the two lines meet is the point. Lest I forget, I need to put something here. To write text there. Let me see what I can do. Let me write a text there to write the equation. So the first equation here is y. So that is, there is something, but let's look at where the two lines meet. That's where we get our answer. Let me get the point. This is the point there. This point. Okay. Point. Answer. After drawing the two lines, where they meet is the position for our answer. And we can see it here. Let me get the point. The point is here. This point. It should be, that should be 5, comma 2. From what I'm seeing there. So our point now is at that point 5, comma 2. Is that okay? So that is, so we now want to write the answer out. The answer is 5, comma 2. What does that imply? It means that the position that we have our graph there, that position that we have it, this place is the place that I'm talking about. That's the place that we get our answer. So our answer is obtained at this point 5, comma 2, which means the solution is obtained at this place. At this place, we have the answer. So if I want to write the answer out now, let me go back to my blackboard. So it means that what we are writing now as the answer is what? So the answer is 5, comma 2, which means that therefore x equals 5 and y equals 2. So that ends the explanation on this topic. So see you when I see you, and bye for now.